which is a great trendy area with nice dark gray counters and cabinetry, cool textured backsplash, beverage center. It's a full wet bar. It's a nice glass for display, beautiful table. So it really serves as a very functional area for this family.
Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird and Warner Glenbrook office, and this is exciting. Last time we were here at this project, Renovation with Chad Freid, he was showing us around mid-project, and now we're back to see the finished kitchen, living room. It's just amazing. So Chad, thank you for showing us around.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, so I'm curious, how did it all come together? We're standing here in this amazing kitchen.
Well, it all started by wonderful realtor Caroline, who was able to call me. I had a great vision for a house that needed some work and could be opened up, and she had a great client, and we came out, looked at the space. They had a big wall right there where you actually see what we're here right now, which I'll get to in a moment. But one of their big concerns is, could we open up that wall? What could we do? What can't we do? And you know, the goal was we could open it up completely. We could open it up with a column. We could keep the wall there and work around it. But to have a massive island like this, with the only negative is having the column, seemed to be a lot more function over aesthetics in this case. So in this situation, big new open kitchen, moved the laundry room, relocated a powder room, opened it up to a living room and staircase. So this project just evolved into a nice, large, open space.
I'm obsessed with this island. You know what I like about it? So they have the quartz countertops, and then the different colors. We've got white over here, but then what is this gray here?
Yeah, this is just a dark, blackish, grayish, dark blue, and they get to customize their own color range. A lot of people are doing anywhere from black, which in their laundry room you see a lot more black. This is almost like a midnight blue or a very dark hail-ish color. Yeah, the quartz has a nice mitered edge here, so it gives it a thicker appearance on the island, where we stayed with the standard thickness, 1.25 inches on the perimeter. So yeah, it's a very, very cool cabinet countertop look.
So this family opted to omit the formal dining room in favor of this nice open space so that it's kind of uniform with the rest of the kitchen. So how did we design this beautiful thing?
Well, with our kitchen partner, DK&B, they really do a great job of identifying the needs and the function of that family to be able to work together with the kids area, adult area, make this an informal dining room, but also have it a nice bar for if they do entertain. So this way they can be in the kitchen, but keep an eye on the kids. They can have the bar and the informal dining room, which is a great trendy area with nice dark gray counters and cabinetry, cool textured backsplash, beverage center. It's a full wet bar. It's a nice glass for display, beautiful table. So it really serves as a very functional area for this family. Very nice new master bathroom. When we got here, there was no door entryway into the sink area. There was a big closed off wall, which basically made 2 compartments in here, and all felt very small. So we opened the walls, we lifted the floor to make the bathtub level at floor level. I put a door on the toilet area, give it a little privacy, made the shower larger, changed the closet around, and looks like a beautiful redone bathroom. So this space was a great addition to the house also. This actually used to be the dining room. So what we did was we relocated the door into this room from the garage instead of being in the very small mudroom they had on the other side of this wall. So which created us a great space. They now have 4 young children, tons of cabinetry, tons of storage in here, bench for the shoes, hooks, just a really, really nice space for them to come in the door, unload, and just serves as a better function. So this room used to be a opened room with a view into the sunroom. What we did was close this room as they wanted a big art display wall. So now we have a great countertop, great built-in shelving, and a great piece of art coming in the future. So this, we open up the wall to make it a little wider. So it's open to the staircase on one side, open up to the foyer on the other side, and it serves as a very, very cool family room.
I asked my homeowners what was the inspiration in the design. And Abby said, when I was trying to design the new space, I took into account what we really needed for life with 4 kids. Putting a lot of emphasis on the spaces we spend the most time in made the most sense for us. Plus, I did a lot of searching on Houzz to see what I liked. Once I figured out what I wanted to do with the floors and the cabinets, everything else kind of fell into place. I started with flooring. We went back and forth on light or dark floors, but eventually decided that light floors would give us the light open feeling we were craving after living in a previous home with a lot of segmented spaces. We knew we wanted a big island for our large family and decided to forego a kitchen table since our kitchen space opened immediately to our dining room space. Again, I used a lot of inspiration from Houzz to put together our two-tone kitchen. Our other spaces were fun little design pops that we worked with our cabinet designer to help us select flooring, cabinetry, and hardware. We learned pretty quickly that there's a reason why people are experts in their fields and used to help solidify our decisions. I do love that our master suite serves as a little oasis away from the 4 kids. I also love our new mudroom, which has full-size pantry cabinets and plenty of storage for boots, coats, backpacks, etc. For me, organization is key. One piece of advice I have is to make decisions that will both make you happy and work for your family. Every decision we made revolves around what would work best for our family, and every day I look around to see my kids enjoying our new space, and I am thrilled that we made decisions with this in mind. The space will really work perfectly for us forever. This is great, Abby and Ian. I'm so glad that you finally got the space that you deserve and you can enjoy it for many years in your forever home. Thank you.